some of the customer, when they receive the printer, they found the quick coupling is not locked in position. So today we are going to show you how to relock the quick coupling. First, we need to get the top plate off. So there are 4 bolts lock this top cover. So unscrew the 4 bolts. There are four bolts need to be disassembled. Then you can get the cover off. So when you get off this cover, there will be more enough space for the ZXL to move up and down. And you can just pull it up. Okay, you will see this is up. The quick coupling is totally free, so you can lock it. Lock it into position. Okay, done. Make sure it's really getting into the track, so this coupler will be coupled. Then everything is done. You have to reassemble the top cover. The 2 bolts and the 2 nuts to lock the top cover. Okay, you have already finished it.